if you see, the outcome was that court held the eBay was not liable for a trademark infringement, as it took appropriate step to remove infringing listing when notified. So, in short, platform is not responsible because they are giving the marketplace, they are just neutral, that is the court opinion, that they are neutral in providing the platform, and on that platform the transaction is happening. They are not instigating anybody to do that, or they are not contributing also directly into this particular activity, right? That is the situation. So, court held again that eBay was not liable for a trademark infringement, as it took appropriate steps to remove infringing listings when notified. So, eBay immediately, because of this case, obviously eBay have taken the caution, and if there is like infringing listing is there, obviously they have like not allowed that particular providers to host them on this particular platform.